Good morning, children. I hope you all understood the chapter 1 and chapter 3 very well and completed the given worksheet of chapter number 1. Also did the both chapters by yourself. Now today we will do the chapter exercises, the textbook exercises of chapter number 1 through this video. And I also tell you that which type of notebook you will make for EVS. Now, here is a sample for our EVS notebook. Have a look. This type of notebook you will make for our subject. Its one side is completely plain and one side is ruled. Now, I have some more instructions for you. Now, listen very carefully. Whenever you start the work in your notebook, you will leave the first page of your copy. Okay, then you will come to the second page and start writing from the second page of your notebook. First of all, you will mention the date of that day whenever you start the work, like this. Nobody will write or mention the date in this box. You will write the date here. Then you will write the chapter number like this, and don't write CH1 or L1. You will write the complete spelling of chapter. After this, you will skip a line. Then in the third line, you will write the chapter name like this. And your writing should be very neat and clean. Then whenever you make a line below the heading, you will use a scale like this. Okay? And don't write anything at this place. You will start writing from the first line of your page. Hope you understood well. Page number 5, everyone. Open page number 5. Exercises. Our first exercise is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First of all, take your pencil in your hand and complete or fill these blanks with me. Number 1. When a son or a daughter of a family dash a new member in the form of a daughter-in-law or son-in-law joins the family. Now tell me, when does a person become a daughter-in-law or son-in-law of a family? Whenever they get married. Okay, so when a son or daughter of a family marries, M-A-R-R-I-E-S. Now check the spelling of marries. M-A-R-R-I-E-S. Okay, now come to the second point. When a child is dash, she or he becomes a part of the family. Now, when does a child become part of a family? When he or she born. So, when a child is born, B-O-R-N, born, she or he becomes a part of the family. Now, come to the second page. Open page number 6. Third point is, sometimes people accept children who they did not give dash to. Now tell me, when do people adopt or accept a child? Whenever they can't give birth to a baby. So, sometimes people accept children who they did not give birth. B-I-R-T-H. Okay. Now 4. Some members of a family might have to stay separately as their dash might be in a different city. Now tell me, why do people go away and stay away to their families? Because due to jobs. Okay. So some members of a family might have to stay separately as their. Now we will do the B exercise. Write T for true and F for false. First of all, we should not obey and respect elders is we shouldn't give to the respect our elders. No, we always give respect to the elders. So it is false. Now come to the second point. We should snatch or steal things from others. No, it is also false. We should not keep ourselves and our surroundings clean. No, we always keep ourselves and our surroundings clean. So it is false. We should always speak the truth. Yes, we should always speak the truth. It is true. Okay. Now, here are our C and D exercises. These exercises you will do in your notebook, right? I will explaining these questions here right now and showing an answer sheet of these exercise. And the photograph of that answer sheet that I am explaining is uploaded in our school website. Please collect from there and note down the each question and answer in your notebook. Right? Also note down the questions from your textbook from here and answers from that answer key. And make sure your handwriting should be very neat and clean. So have a look of your answer sheet. How to start your chapter? First of all, you will mention the date of that day. After, you will write chapter number and chapter name. Chapter number 1, My Family. Right? Then, words, meanings. Words, meanings. You will make these lines with using the scale. Right? After the word meaning, you will start with give reasons. Then answer the following questions. Okay, now here are 2 notes. Use blue gel pen for writing the chapter name. Use blue gel pen for writing this chapter name. And use pencil for all the content. Okay. Make a line after each answer with using the scale. Like these lines. You will make a line after each answers. Understood? Now let's come to our book. First of all, give reasons for the following. First question is, sometimes members of a family have to live in different cities. Why? Some members of a family have to live in different cities as they have to take up jobs outside their hometown. Right? Now come to the second point. The structure of a family keeps on changing from time to time. The structure of a family keeps on changing from time to time. The structure of the family keeps changing on time to time due to marriages, births, adoption and job transfers. Okay? Now, our family plays a crucial role in our lives. Crucial means important. Our family plays a crucial role in our lives as the family teaches us, all its members, to culture of a society. More importantly, we learned values from our family. Now come to the D exercise. Answer the following questions. First, what is the importance of having a family? A family provides love, warmth, and protection to its members. We depend upon our family in the times of need. Right? Now, give one way in which the structure of a family changes over time. Give one way. So, marriage. When a son or a daughter of a family marries a new member in the form of a daughter-in-law or son-in-law joins the family. So the structure of a family changes over time. Now, who is an adoptive parent? An adoptive parent is a person who has adopted a child legally. Now, outline some values that we learn from our family. First, to obey and respect elders, to always speak the truth, to help people who are needy, to keep myself and my surroundings clean. There are many more values that we learn from our family. Now, hope you understood these exercises very well. Visit to our school website and collect the answer key from there and do all these question answers in your notebook with very good handwriting. Okay.